Welcome back to my channel where you learn to do it yourself. My name is Rish and this is part 2 of getting familiar with Excel in the Excel 0 to 100 series. In part 1 we started to explore Excel's UI, and in this video we will continue the exploration and look into Worksheet Grid, scroll bars, worksheet tabs and status bar. By the end of this video you will have a solid understanding of key components of Excel, setting you up for success in your Excel journey. Let's look at the work grid. It is made up of rows and columns. When these rows and columns intersect, it creates a cell. You can tell which cell is active by these green highlighted borders. Column headers are labeled by alphabets and row headers are labeled by numbers. The name box right here displays the reference of the active cell. As I'm clicked here, it tells me A1. What this means is I am in column A and row 1. If I click this random cell, it's given me J11, which means I'm in column J on 11th row. Next, we have the scroll bars for quick scrolling through the worksheet. We have a bar here which helps to move the worksheet up and down. And this bar down here helps to move the worksheet left and right. Now let's talk about the sheet tabs. These tabs that you see here are called the worksheet tabs, and every worksheet tab has a name. This highlighted sheet tab is called sales data, which I am currently in. If I click on product information, the sheet will change, which will show different data. If I click on customer information, again the sheet will change and it will show me customer data. You can also double click on any sheet tab to rename it. For example, I just want it to be called sales. I can edit that, but let's change it back to sales data. And finally, the status bar. It shows quick and important statistical summary of the selected cells. If I select these 3 cells, it will quickly give me the average, count, and sum of these 3 cells. If I increase the number of cells that I've selected, these calculations will adjust accordingly. Next, we have the view options. Currently, we are in normal mode. Then we have the page layout, and then we have page break preview. This is useful when we are printing out Excel sheets. More on that later. Next, we have the zoom bar, which allows us to magnify or shrink the page. That marks the end of our journey in getting familiar with Excel's interface. Remember, the only way to learn is diving in and exploring. Don't be afraid to click around. Excel is robust and you won't break it. Practice along with these videos or dedicate just 15 to 20 minutes a day to experiment on your own. The more you repeat, the better you will learn. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.